Solve the compound inequality. Give the solution set in both interval and graph forms. When we have the compound inequality, 3k is greater than or equal to 6 and k minus 4 is less than 5. Let's start here by simplifying each of these inequalities and isolating k by itself. So in this first one, divide both sides by 3 to get k is greater than or equal to 2. In our second inequality, add 4 to both sides so that we have k is less than 9. And remember that this is an and word connecting them. And so we want to include in our solution all values for k that are greater than or equal to 2 and less than 9. So in interval form, we would write that solution as 2 to 9, where the 2 is included in the solution because of that equal sign. However, the 9 is not, as this is a strict inequality. We also would like to graph this solution set. So draw your number line. Let's locate the numbers 2 and 9. I'm going to start with a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 9. We're going to use the same brackets and parentheses here as we did in our interval form. That means a bracket on the 2, a parenthesis on the 9. The 2 is included, the 9 is not. Let's bold those values in between, indicating that they are part of the solution as well.